Okay, we're going to document lots of this stuff in Thunder Bay, and it's getting worse. The roads in town all the time. They put up an art gallery. I don't know how many millions and millions of dollars, and it's not even finished. They didn't finish the bus barns. I don't know. They taxing the people to death in the town, and the roads are absolutely disgusting. I'm going to take a little video running down Red River Road here right now, and just see. I mean, every road in town is just something terrible, terrible. The roads are just ridiculous. So we're going to continue on with this little video here now, and take a look. See bumps yet? What's the name of the street we're on?
Red River Road.
Red River Road. Okay, watch the bumps now. Look at the bump in the middle. Shine it at that bump. A big hole in the hole.
Uncle,
and there's a hole, and there's a hole.
Uncle, your book,
and there's a hole, and there's a hole.
Uncle, your book is obstructing the view.
Oh, obstruction. Oh, I don't want no obstruction. Yeah. This is a smooth road for a change. Look at that hole. Let's race across the holes. Look at that. Look at those. Oh my God. Look at the holes. Oh, you missed all the holes. Shine the light at the holes.
Oh, the light?
See the holes?
Oh, no. Oh.
Yeah, it's pretty smooth here. Oh, look at the holes on this side. Look at all the holes. Oh. Terrible roads. Terrible roads.
Ouch.
Oh, look at the one right in front of me. He's going to hit it. I got to try to get around. Oh, I made it. I missed it. I'll get around the hole. Another hole. Ooh. Holes in the road. Oh, look at these holes. Hey, 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 hey. Look at this. Oh, my God. Just a terrible. Terrible. Hold it up a little higher here so I can show you the hole. Oh, look at the holes. Let's go over there and see the holes. Look at the hole. Look at the size of that hole. Oh my God. Go around it. Oh my God. Look at the holes. I'm trying to miss it. Ooh, that's a big one. Red River Road. Yeah, look at it. Oh, ain't this a lovely town? And they spend millions of dollars. Look at the holes. Oh my God. They spend millions of dollars on an art center or something. They don't fix the roads. Ain't that wonderful? Oh. They'll just put some putty in there and they'll say it's good for another 10 years. Okay. It was just that the snow melted and the holes showed up. Roads are really good in this town. I wonder if we're gonna get a light that changes this time. Huh? Can you see those holes down there? Oh, look at the holes. This light's so long. What are they waiting for? This is a rattle trap, this car. Okay. Gonna put it on the YouTube. Put it on the YouTube. Holy cow. I guess we're safer off sitting here for a long time, eh, rather than right through the holes. Okay, so right through the holes. Alright, oh, it's not quite purple enough yet. Hurry up. That arrow, what's that arrow for? I didn't even see the... See the arrows.
What?
Yeah. See the arrows? Didn't even see the... Oh yeah. I'm gonna try to hit a hole. Ooh. just a hole. It's just a hole, Sydney. Yike. Look at that. Look at that.
Built a new crossing here and put all the holes underneath of it.
And some holes in the road. No wonder everybody's going to the city and say, fix my car. You can't fix the road. Isn't that wonderful? Red River Road. Thunder Bay Hole. I mean city. Guy's gonna hit the hole. Bang! Smash. All right. Whee. Yeah, everybody should come to Thunder Bay and wreck their car. Yeah, good idea. Oh boy. Oops, the car's coming that way. Oh, getting that way. Oh, here we go. Okay, I think we've seen enough holes there. Okay, you can shut her off. Okay, what do you think of that? Isn't that something disgusting? You know, and they're just letting it go.